everyone, this is your Mom ZL and welcome back to my channel. So today, we are going to make a classic meatballs. And here are the ingredients of the classic meatballs that we are going to cook today. So we have 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Then we have a chop of parsley, a slice of garlic. We have a mince of onion. We have a milk, and we have a breadcrumbs. We have a this is parmesan cheese, and a salt to taste, olive oil, 2 large eggs, and we have a black pepper. So I'm going to use my breadcrumbs and pour the milk in here. So this is like a 1/4 cup of milk for my breadcrumbs, and then so let it simmer and make it like texture like an applesauce maybe. So make it soften. So maybe in 5 minutes this breadcrumbs is ready. So while waiting for that, so that's why I made I said classic, because we are going to saute first our onion and garlic. Okay, so let's go ahead, and then I'm going to the pan to saute my garlic and onion to put it in our ground beef. So I go ahead and put our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Alright? So kakaiba po itong gagawin natin. Kung usual, yung iba, dati, we could make like a chopped onion and chopped garlic directly to the meat. So now, to make it more tasty, we are going to saute our onion. Yeah. So saute and caramelize. Excuse me. Caramelize the onion. Now that the onion is okay, so I'll go ahead and put my chopped garlic. Okay. Let's add some salt, and then our black pepper. Okay, let's continue saute, and then I want a slightly brown to my onion and my garlic, so that the sweetness, the taste is come out before we put or we add to our ground beef. Yay! Now na na-achieve na natin ang ating gustong kulay or slightly brown and caramelize our onions. Look at that color. We off the stove, and we are going to add to our meatballs. Now, I go ahead and add our caramelized onion and garlic to the ground beef. Alright? Too excited. I'm sorry. Oh my God, guys. It smells so good. Look at this. So good. So, caramelize natin to. And now slightly brown. Then we're going to add to our ground beef. Now I'll go ahead and add our parsley. So lagay natin yung parsley dyan. Hindi natin ito do. So let's see later kung mag-a-add ba tayo ng parsley. Ang ating 2 tablespoons of parmesan cheese. Then, itong ating breadcrumbs. Oh, look at that. Yung breadcrumbs natin is like, na-achieve din natin ang ating gustong texture. It's like an applesauce texture. So, I'll go ahead and add my breadcrumbs. Okay? So, marami po to, kaya marami din na nilagay ko. Siguro mga like 3 slices of bread ang ginawa ko. And then like 1/4 cup of milk. I take out the, you know how, the side of the bread. So, yeah. And then, we'll season some salt. Okay? So, depende po sa inyong panlasa. Okay? Ito po ay 56 pounds ground beef. And then, we season some garlic pepper. Okay? Mas maraming garlic pepper, black pepper, mas masarap. This is black pepper, what I'm saying. Too excited, I'm sorry. So, and then, we'll put our egg. So, I put 2 eggs para mas masarap. And then, I think I need to use my hand to mix our ingredients. So I wash my hand, but I decided to use the gloves so that it's like not too sticky to my hands. All right. So we are going to mix our ingredients, and then but not too over mix. So like para magkaroon lang ng ano, maano natin yung goal na dapat natin gawin. So, ayan. Oh my God. It's so yummy. Look at the caramelized garlic that I made. This is a different meatballs. Scattered natin para lahat may cheese. And garlic and onion. Now that our mixture is ready, so I'll go ahead and then I'm going to, you know, bibilugin na natin ang ating ground beef. Okay, ang ating meatballs. So, this is ready. So, it mix up already. And then, going to make our meatballs. Jan, 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 jan. Okay. So, let's see kung ilan ang magagawa natin sa ating meatballs na gagawin ngayon. Alright? So now that the classic meatballs are ready, so we are going to fry. Okay, so instead of baking, so I like yung talagang medyo brown siya. So we made in our 1.5 pounds meatballs, what I mean ground beef. So we made like 25 meatballs. All right. So and then winning scale ko nga po pala siya. So, kung ano, dahil para po magkakapareho ang kanilang sizes, para kung halimbawa ibebenta nyo, pare-pareho ng sizes ang ating meatballs. Alright? So, I'll go ahead and I'm going to fry our meatballs. Alright? One by one. Alright? Oh, I need to use my kasi baka matilamsikan tayo. Okay. Susutay lang natin to make it brown. Like 2 minutes in each side para siya mag golden brown. Okay. Alright. So here it is, our juicy and classic meatballs. So let's go ahead and taste our juicy classic meatballs. Let's see. Try. Look at that. Oh la la. It's so juicy inside. Look at this. It was juicy inside. 1 second. Hindi natin Ooh. Wow, look at that. And here. So, I'll go ahead and taste my meatballs. Alright? So juicy, tender, the best. The best. Kaya, huwag nyo nang patagalin. Magawa na kayo. Ang sarap-sarap niya. Alam niyo yung sinutay natin yung garlic and onion, kinaramelize natin. May kakaibang taste para sa ating ground beef. So, these are some options that we could make or turn our meatballs into a meal. So, we could make like a simple meal like teriyaki sauce, or we could turn into make like maybe, let's try with a buffalo sauce. So yeah, there's a lot of options that we could try to our meatballs or turn our juicy classic meatballs into a meal. So today I decided to make marinara sauce. Earlier I made my own marinara sauce from the scratch, and my pasta because my son loved the meatballs with pasta over the marinara sauce. So I'll show it to you why I made that. Here it is, what we made from our juicy classic meatballs. So I made a marinara pasta with meatballs. So let's go ahead and taste. But before we taste, let's put some parmesan cheese so it will become more tasty. All right? Look at that. Meatballs. Ahead. I made my own marinara sauce and the pasta. Alright? So here it is. One meal from our juicy classic meatballs. Here you go. It's so tasty. I know, magugustuhan ng mga bata. Kahit ako, I love pasta. Thank you. At nagawa ko, na perfect ko, ang juicy, classic meatballs. I hope you like this video, and if you do, leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit the notification bell para lagi kayong update. As always, this is your Mom ZL, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.